Welcome to Vishwanadh Sports Club, Adventure Thrill City, located at Visakhapatnam Port Authority Sports Complex, popularly known as Port Stadium. It is spread across 40 acres. It's a peaceful escape offering world-class sports and entertainment facilities. At Vishwanadh Sports Club, adventure meets sports and fun. We are home to Andhra Pradesh's largest air-conditioned indoor stadium with a 4,500 seating capacity and a 1,700-seat air-conditioned auditorium called Kalavani. This is where champions are made and memories are created. Introducing Adventure Thrill City. Vishwanadh Sports Club offers more than 35 adventure and thrill rides alongside sports grounds and academies. The park is divided into 5 zones primarily. Zone A, go-karting and thrill rides. Start your adventure with go-karting, the giant swing, rocket ejector. Experience thrilling moments in the 12D theater. Play Laser Wars and try the 360 cycle. Grab a coffee at Fresh Bean Coffee Shop. Zone B, Aqua World and zip lines. Vizag's newest water park offers 8 water slides, a wave pool, rain dance, pool parties, and a thrilling zip line that lets you glide across the sky. Learn volleyball and basketball on our professional courts. Zone C, indoor stadium and sports. The indoor stadium is perfect for sports lovers. Enjoy national standard badminton courts, including the unique badminton in the dark, or receive expert coaching in multiple sports. Zone D, restaurant and attractions. Relax and satisfy your taste buds with a meal at the Secret Garden restaurant. Explore Mini World, capturing iconic landmarks. Visit Chitralahari Reels and Frames Studio for a holistic photo experience with lots of illusion effects. Sip refreshing mocktails, juices, and coffee at Bar 2000 in Alegi Coffee Shop. Zone E, snow and fun. Visit Zone E for the exclusive snow station, the first and only snow park in Andhra Pradesh. Fun Factory is the first and only trampoline park, featuring a kids' soft play arena and tons of arcade games. Try the first ever rope course in Andhra Pradesh, or enjoy box cricket on Vizag's biggest natural turf grounds. Fitness enthusiasts can work out at Transcend Gym. Vishwanadh Conventions. Our conventions facility complements the adventure park. Corporate events, weddings, offering a premier venue for large-scale events. We provide 400+ car parking spaces and 1,000+ bike parking spaces. The space can host grand music concerts, multiple banquet halls are available to accommodate various gathering sizes, all equipped with modern amenities. Vishwanadh Sports Club, Adventure Thrill City. Visit today and experience thrill like never before. Call 888 666 7878. Your adventure begins here.